A child now learning how to read, a farmer planting hopeful seeds, clean water flowing through the land, a brighter future close at hand. A street shining with new lights, young leaders rising to new heights, a helping hand when hope seems far, wave the rotary flag up high. Every step, every hand we raise, every life that we help to change. Create, create, lasting impact. The good that we start will grow every day. Through hearts that serve and hands that give back, Rotarians will rise and create lasting impact.
Ang Rotary po pala ay para ding isang musika. Kahit po iba-iba tayo ng background at iba-iba ang instrumentong dala natin sa buhay, when we play together, we create a perfect harmony. Let's keep making good music together. Let's keep changing lives.
A classroom filled with eager minds, community stronger over time, a bridge of peace where walls once stood, turning compassion into good. Every dream that we realize is the future we redefine. Create, create, lasting impact. The good that we start will grow every day. Through hearts that serve and hands that give back, Rotarians will rise and create lasting impact. Not just a day, not just a moment, but a legacy that carries on. From every act of kindness given, a brighter world is born. Create, create, lasting impact. The good that we start will grow every day. Through hearts that serve and hands that give back.
Siyempre po, ang Mediatek po ay ang ating ibibigay po ay tubig, patubig, at saka magbibigay din po, mag-ano po tayo, mag-assess tayo ng kung paano sila magkakaroon ng maayos na patubig dito sa kanilang lugar. Yan, kasama po ating mga items, mga kaibigan, mga kasama.
At nandito po kami ngayon sa Nabuclon, Florida, Pampanga upang magbigay at magbahagi ng konting tulong para sa ating mga kababayang idols.
Mga araw po, Municipal Ivy Marani Serrano Kasapanan po ng Florida Blanca, Pampanga. Maraming salamat po sa Rotary Club of Quezon City Medtech at sa Euro TV at sa lahat po ng pumunta at tumulong po sa aming mga katutubo ng Florida Blanca. God bless po, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.